Up next, another giveaway. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiAntasy. No, wait a minute. The opener wasn't SciFiAntasy's opener. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from ModelBuilderInternational.com. Well, ModelBuilderInternational.com is our sister site. If you guys watched how SciFiAntasy got our name, it's because we own HobbyLink International Incorporated. And that's owned by myself, my brother, and Paul Tosny. And it incorporates both SciFiAntasy and Model Builder International. So I'm here to talk a little bit about our sister YouTube channel, MBI. And that is run by my buddy Paul, and he's got a ton of reviews up there. He's got a ton of kits in from companies, which they're gracious enough to give him so he can do all the reviews. And right now, our subscriber level is a little low on that side. And Paul's actually going to have a giveaway with 3 kits once he reaches 500. Now, Paul does a great job on the reviews. He gets a lot of stuff in from companies, and it's piling up at his house, and he's never going to be able to build all this stuff. So we figured we'll give back to the community again, and we're going to do a drawing for 3 model kits that he has once we hit 500. And then he'll do some more as he hits milestones. This way he can move that stuff into people's hands that'll build it. Now, if somebody does win, we hope that they'll send us pictures of the build so we can do a video on it, or if they do their own videos, we'll link it on our site. This way everybody can take a look and see what's going on with that. And hopefully come over and check out ModelBuilderInternational.com too. That doesn't have a community on it, but here's a question for you guys. I know we got a lot of people over at SciFiAntasy using the community, which is great. Would you be interested in a community on ModelBuilderInternational.com? This way you can have your cars and boats and ships and helicopters and tanks and things that go boom over there, and we'll have our sci-fi and fantasy over here. This way we have 2 distinct places we can go and not intermingle them. I don't mind intermingling on SciFiAntasy as long as we get to see a lot of builds. That's cool with me. So enough about that little bit. Let's get over and tell you what Paul is going to be giving away. So Paul is going to be giving away 3 kits, and the 3 kits are going to be the Platts HE 219A-7 in 1/72nd scale, the US M9 83A2 Tractor and Patriot Launching System by Model Collect in 1/72nd scale, and also the T54-1 by Mini Art in 1/35th scale. And this kit comes with a full interior. So those will be the 3 kits that we're going to give away once we hit the 500 subscriber mark. As we hit milestones, like I said, we hit 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, whatever it is. Paul has a lot of stuff in that we'll start giving away to you guys in appreciation for you coming watching the video, sharing, and all that other stuff. As always, if you have any questions or comments, just drop them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. I hope you come over to MBI, and if you're watching this and you're not part of SciFiAntasy yet, I hope you come over here and hit that subscribe button and the little notification icon, and also come over to SciFiAntasy.com and join the community. Don't forget, if you're interested in the community on MBI, let me know in the comments section and we'll get that up and running if we get enough people interested in that. I hope you all have a great day. Take care and bye-bye.